In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to deposit money in an ATM for the USAA bank. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to find all the information about how to deposit money using ATMs on the USAA website. So go to www.usaa.com through a web browser on your computer or your phone, and after you arrive at this page, scroll down and eventually you are going to be able to find this option here under the quick links. Find ATM. You can also press Ctrl F if you are on a computer to look for Find ATM. Select this option and immediately you will see this map where you can browse through all of the available ATMs. Find one near you by entering your location and you will be able to see which ATM is available for you to deposit or withdraw cash with. Once you find one suitable for what you need, you will be able to use the ATM to deposit money into your USAA account. If you need any additional help on how this process works, all that you have to do is use the search function at the top to look for ATM. You will be able to find this article, What to Know About ATMs. This will have detailed instructions on how you can find the ATM, just like I showed you, and how to actually use it. So all that you have to do is insert your ATM or debit card into the machine, enter your PIN, which is a 4-digit code, and you will be able to choose deposit and follow the instructions on the ATM screen to input the money and receive it on your USAA bank account. As long as you follow the instructions on this article, Your Guide to Using ATMs, and you use this tool to help you find ATMs, you will be able to deposit money into your account. I hope I was able to help you on how to deposit money using an ATM into USAA. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.